In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to free high converting landing pages for affiliate marketing. I've been using these landing page templates myself and I've seen good results when it comes to building a list of email subscribers and making affiliate commissions. I'm going to give you the share code for this very landing page here template. You will use the share code to import it instantly to your account, and then you can do any customizations you want to suit your needs. This landing page is like using a big headline on the top and then a call to action at the right hand side where people can put their email address and subscribe to your list. There is a video at the left hand side. You can replace it and put your own video, of course. And also there are like bullet points at the bottom here where you can give more information about the free offer you are using to build your email list or make affiliate commissions. You can use this button also to redirect your visitors to any other offer or to your own website. Here is the same template of the previous landing page, but instead of using a video at the left hand side, it's using a graphic headline that you can also customize using the Photoshop program, or you can use an online solution to customize PSD files, Photoshop files. And there is one website that is called PhotoPA, which is very good to customize easily Photoshop graphics. And here is another template that is using the pop-up form as well. It has a big headline, lots of information at the header. There is a graphic at the left hand side and a button here that will generate this form, this pop-up form where people can subscribe to your list. You can add other options or other links at the bottom. You have the legal pages, the disclaimer, everything you need to actually start promoting a high converting landing page. You have this template as well where you can put a graphic or a video at the left side, big headline, some advertising, and a button with a pop-up form. Now if you want to get access to all the pages, you can go and check this offer here, high converting landing page templates ready to use on Leads Leap. So this is the description of the offer, and you have 12 different templates for landing pages that you can import instantly into your account and then customize as you wish to build your own email list. So here are some information about the offer. You can import, customize, and then publish in a few seconds. Here is a description of each landing page, what are the components, and also it comes with a thank you page that will allow you to make multiple recurring affiliate commissions with some traffic offers that I use myself. In a few seconds I will show you how to import a page and customize it on your own account to build your own email list. But don't forget to check the links in the description or the first comment. So here I am on a Leads Leap account that has no landing page, no pages at all actually. And let me go to the left hand side and find Page Builder, Page Manager. Click on Page Manager, and as you can see here, there is no page at all, and I can actually add a new page here. But before that, if you don't have a Leads Leap account yet, please use the link in the description below, open a free account, and with the free account actually you can have up to 10 pages. So let's create a page here. Let's call it just test if you want to. I'll put a test and then add it. And in order for you to import instantly those templates, you need to use this button, add a new design, and then use the share code here on this spot here. So I'm going to paste the share code. So this is the share code that you will be getting in the description below this video to import the page. So let's click import now, and you will see now that we have a page. So if I click on this link here, you will see what I get. This is the link of my landing page. But if you need to customize it, you will have to launch the editor where you can edit everything that is on the page, including the headlines, the bullet points. Let's say, for example, I want to change this part here. You can see the text right here at the right hand side, and you can type whatever you want here and then click the save button. Same thing for the video. If you want another video to be here, you want to grab the ID of the video and put it right here, the link or the link of the video, and just put it right here to replace mine, and then don't forget to save. You can actually customize anything on the page. You can customize the links in the bottom, and so this is the method how you can import and customize the page. And again, if you are doing affiliate marketing and promoting any offer or product that comes from ClickBank, JVZoo, or Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate offer, you can use these gorgeous templates to promote that offer, build your email list, and make commissions at the back end using these gorgeous landing pages. All the links are in the description below, and of course, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will see you on my next video.